You can easily fix the P0455 error code yourself by inspecting and securing the gas cap. The gas cap is used to ensure that no dirt, debris, or dust enters your fuel tank. The gas cap is on the right side of the vehicle if you are in a right-hand traffic country and vice versa. A faulty gas cap can result in poor fuel. A faulty gas cap can cause several issues. It can result in poor fuel economy. You may find the fuel smell from the vehicle and that you can't tighten the cap properly. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the gas cap-related error codes. If your vehicle is experiencing issues related to the gas cap, here's one method to resolve the problem. Clean the gas cap. Open up your gas tank and inspect the cap condition. Spray clean the gas tank with a WD-40 cleaner first. Check to see if the gas cap also gets dirty. You can use the WD-40 cleaner to wipe it clean as well. Otherwise, you may replace it with a correct model gas cap. So here is one method to fix the P0455 error code. This engine code can appear in many different car models, including Chevys, Toyotas, Fords, Nissans, and Hyundais. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe us for more updates. Thanks for watching.